Yep.
You have like vodka and bottle wine up there.
Come on.
Should I?
Come on. I can't really get on the teeth. If I put this on YouTube, it's so funny.
What?
I haven't put this on YouTube. Just say it now.
Oh.
Ugh. That's so... God, Allie.
The title knows how to make eggs.
Yeah. Eggs. They're making eggs. Oh, so gross.
Yeah.
Right now.
Kind of stir it in there. What if I burn myself?
Oh, we catch it on camera.
Do you just have fart right now? I could like make the stove catch on fire.
Ew.
Where's the baking soda?
I don't know. Why?
It puts out fires on the stove if there's any fires, because yesterday my sister had a fire on the stove and she had to blow it out. So will you stir this and stuff and like do crap with it? Crap, like wrap it up. Now if you ever die, I'm considered it.
What? Mayflower. I'm gonna have greasy eggs. It should be steaming. Before, after.
It's actually the fair thing.
I know. Camera doesn't know that.
Oh. People are. They have brains. Well, some of them, unless they're special.
Are you special? Leave a comment. Yeah, that's so funny. Don't leave a comment. Oh my god.
How would they be able to leave a comment? They don't even know how to type.
And the eggs are almost done. Good. Yeah, that was easy, huh?
No. I talked to you the whole time.
So now, you know how to make eggs. Yeah.
You just like talking to the camera.